Well, hello there, friends. My name is Sabina and I am with the Kebloom team. I do a little bit of marketing and also event planning for Kebloom. Nice to meet you all. So what exactly is Kebloom? Kebloom is a platform and a community that believes in young people. We believe young people everywhere should be given the opportunity to manifest their dreams. Kebloom was made and is ran by successful entrepreneurs. If you're wondering exactly what entrepreneurship is, entrepreneurship simply means creating ideas or coming up with solutions to problems. Or you may have heard it just simply means coming up with your own business or running your own business. Thinking and behaving like an entrepreneur means you are exercising your creative skills, but also exercising your problem-solving skills. This leads to plenty of opportunities in the future. Well, have you ever thought about starting your own business? Or maybe have dreams of one day starting your own business? Why not start now? It could be a service or a product, an invention. It could be a social impact project or a fundraiser. Why not start now? All those great ideas you have up here can lead to future opportunities for yourself. It has truly become essential to have an entrepreneurial mindset because it is changing the scope of employment. Kebloom offers online business building workshops for kids 9 to 12 and teens 13 to 15. These workshops are fun and interactive, and we take you through our process on helping you build your business. For more information on Kebloom or our workshops, please visit www.kebloom.com. We hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.